yeah, just a quick one while I'm making some wallets up. Got 5 or 6 wallets to make here. I've already cut them, beveled, burnished, creased them, done some personalisation, but now I need to sort of gently fold the outer piece and the inner piece. And normally I would fold it by hand and then use my cobbler's hammer and strike it on a granite slab. But I thought I'd try something different. So I bought some canvas stretching pliers. Essentially what you do is you fold a bit where you want it, grab your big pliers, hold it in nice and gently, squeeze down, make sure it all stays lined up. Folded it without cracking. So anybody that's hit leather to sort of fold it and put a curve in it knows that you can crack the leather, and this doesn't seem to do that at all. Now what I will say is the jaws on these are slightly textured, so just be careful on softer leathers or veg tan and things like that. But in general, seems to do a pretty good job. Yeah. So canvas pliers. These were on Amazon. I think they were less than £15. I'll stick a link below.